Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I got the ipsyextra for May. It's a little late, but y'all, I was renewing May 1st, and in April, I was looking at my account, and I remember this happened to me last year. You just have to be careful when you're looking in there because it knocked me out. I mean, I did something and I canceled my accounts. So then I went back in and I tried to fix it. Couldn't ask them for help, couldn't get help. It took them 24 hours to answer me back. And then of course, by then they can't help me, even though, you know, they can't help me because they're not, yeah, anyway. So the only way to sign back up that I could find was to sign up for 1 month. So I've got May. And then once I did that, then I got the email about signing up for a year. I like to sign up for the year because it's less expensive. You end up getting, this is $31.99 a month plus $1.99 for the handling, shipping, whatever. And if you buy it by the year, you get 1 month free out of the 12. You pay for the 12, excuse me, something in my eye. You pay for 11 months pretty much. And then you don't pay the $1.99 times 12. You just pay $14.99 for the shipping. So you save a little money. So that's what I do. That's why I do it. So because of this, when you do that, when you sign up for any of them, you don't get to pick. So let's see what they sent me. ipsyextra is 5 full-size items. Usually they pick 2 for you and you get to pick 3. So I tell you what's in what were my choices, but since I had no choices, I can't tell you anything. So I did cut it open, but I haven't looked inside yet. Okay, sneak peek in there. They do send a brochure, but the brochure is just about what's happening. It's not about the products. I did find out about the products myself because they do let you know what you're getting if you want to know. So for May, it is the Art of Everyday. Most people I know that get ipsyextra, they get the Ultimate box for May. I don't get that. That's a quarterly box. I still just get the extra. So in this brochure is a scan to reveal your product details, the current K-Beauty wave, and plush tomato pouts. So they're really sparking up cheeks. And then they talk about this brand, Olivia Uma. There's the inside of the brochure. And then the back is First Aid Beauty is the edit box this month. So you get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 everyday heroes, it says. And you get a nice bag for $49.99 in this case. And then they give you a sneak peek of what's coming up for next month. And these are the sneak peek products. There is Glow Recipe, Rare Beauty, and Dew Skin. So that's what we know. And right now, the Mega Drop Shop is going on, and that ends May 28th. And I've gotten a couple of orders from there because they have some good stuff. You know, the Mega Drop Shop is the most fun to me. I have allergies this time of year, especially heavy, and it felt like something was in my eye. So don't know if I got it out, but anyway, let's see what I got. Oh, and I have a little add-on. And let's see, we'll just start at the beginning. They said, all right, like I said, everything was chosen by Ipsy. They use this little bit of stuffing, which doesn't really help much because, as you can see, this is all banged up. But this is fine because the product is not the box. So this is Dr. Brandt Excellent Skincare line. This is the Reset Cleanser. It's a $50 value. It says Foundation Collection Reset Cleanser, Deep Cleansing Gel. So gel is super nice for summer gel products for me. Now, if you have oily skin, you use gel products all year. For me, they can get a little too drying. So it's more of a summer thing for me. But this is what she looks like. It's a full size, like I said. Of course, all these products are full size. This is, what's the size of it? It's 4.2 ounces, 125 ml. So that's Dr. Brandt. Very nice product, cleanser. I personally only want makeup in this box because I get so much skincare elsewhere. So, but that's not the case. I can see that's not the case. Next up we have Dermalect, another open box. This is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum by Dermalect, $49 value. So, all right, so this was $50. The box was $31.99 plus $1.99 for the shipping. This paid for it. This also would pay for it. This one, Dermalect is really good stuff. So this is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. So you can see it's a dropper bottle. Everything, all the skincare that I get in IPSY is always really, really good products. So, you know, this one says the award-winning complexion refining overnight serum is like beauty sleep bottled. So it uses 3 types of amino acids and helps with fine lines, discoloration, and uneven tones. So sounds good to me. I could have told you some of the information about Dr. Brandt. I didn't tell you that. It has tea tree oil, which tea tree oil is for blemishes, for oily skin. You can use it. Anybody can use it, but for me, I don't use it regularly or anything because it can be a little too drying for me. So next up, I don't know if I have what I'm supposed to have in here. Interesting. I don't have what they told me I was getting. I have most of it, but okay. This is the Soroci, S-O-R-O-C-I, Soroci. There's no H, so Soroci, it's sort of Italian sounding. Soroci Morning Drizzle Calming Cream. Full size, 70 ml, $30. The Dermalect was 1 ounce, sorry, 30 ml for that. Okay, this is Korean Beauty, is what it looks like on it looks like Korean writing there. Breathe Comfortably, 70 mLs, 2.36 fluid ounces. Just like a clean and clear morning dew with a burst of fresh energy and moisture, it says. Let's see what she looks like. Oh, it's real pretty. Real pretty tube. And it says this rich moisturizing cream is perfectly balanced for soothing and recovery with a locally sourced fresh botanical ingredients like blueberry, goji berry, and aronia berry. It gives your skin a boost of energy and moisture, helping to prep your complexion for makeup. So that sounds very nice. And then I was supposed to get, I have 2 products in here. They did say something about getting a free gift if I sign back up. But when you sign up for the year, they're sending me a free gift. So they're not going to do that twice. Usually they won't do that twice. So I don't know. But I was supposed to get from Lithe Beauty Hydra Lip Gloss in Plush, which is a mauve rose, $22 value. It looks like this is in a tube like this. But I got this little thing, which I don't know what it is. It's really cute. It's from Good Light. It is shrink wrapped. Good Light Orbit Lip Oil. And it's super cute. It is super cute. Let me take the shrink wrap off. I don't know that I'll use it because it's clear and I have all kinds of things for my lips, y'all. I mean, all kinds. Not too long ago, I showed you just what I carry with me every day. But this is so cute. I want you to see that the packaging is adorable. See, it's got this nice, which is very nice. It's still very shiny. It's super cute, super cute. And then it's got a doe foot in there and it's clear. So Good Light Lip Oil, I have no idea the value of that. And then I have, I think that's taking the place of the Lithe. I'll look that up. I have a palette, which I'm super excited about. I always want a palette in my box, always. They did pick this, of course, like I said, these are all picked for me. This is Laura Geller. This is the item that I saw advertised most, you know, as the special item for the extra box. It's sealed really well in this bubble wrap, which is nice. It's called the Wearables Pinking of You. It's 12 multi-finish eyeshadows, and it is a $35 value. I love Laura Geller products. I use them every day. This is really pretty packaging. 12 multi-finish shadows. So it says, channel your inner makeup artist with these 12 dreamy rosy neutrals that make experimenting with color a breeze. From mattes to shimmers, these silky, weightless eyeshadows blend seamlessly on your lid for long-lasting all-day color. Okay. So I can't get it open. Like really, I can't get it open. I'm using something and it's not helping. There we go. There we go. Okay. It is a plastic container. LG for Laura Geller. And here, the back of it. And when you open it, it has a nice clasp to it. Hard to open. There we go. It has a mirror on one side. It is, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful neutral palette. It doesn't open far enough for, let me see if I can show you. It's very beautiful. This is really nice and pink, really pretty. This one is a shimmery pink. Maybe it's, yeah, I think it's pink. But it's mostly neutrals, so I don't see a lot of pink in there. A little bit of rose in there, a little pink. So, but very beautiful palette, very beautiful. 12 pans is nice. It's very pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmers. And yeah, it's very, very pretty. All right, so I have another product in here. And maybe this is a free thing. It's from Chorus. Chorus is a really, really good skincare line that I'm familiar with. This is perfume. So it says base notes. Well, let's open it. Let me open it up. I looked this up, the Good Light. Again, it's Good Light Glazed Orbit Lip Oil, and it is $19.50, so very comparable to that other item was $20 or $21, $22 for the Lithe. But that was in a color. This is clear, and it is a lip plumper. And it says that it's very, very hydrating. So it says that it tingles on your lips. It's not a big deal to me to have a lip plumper. Some people are crazy about them. It's not something I gravitate towards. But now this is $68. Chorus Eau de Toilette Cashmere Kumquat. The top notes are kumquat, mandarin, and orange. The heart notes are orange blossom, jasmine, almond, and the base notes are cashmere, cedar wood, and vanilla. 50 mLs, 1.69 fluid ounces, yeah. And this is what it looks like. This is how Chorus packaging is. It's very, medicinal, if you will. It's not anything fancy. This is beautiful though. This glass is gorgeous. Just a really pretty orange glass. Very pretty. So let's smell it. Let's see what it smells like. Find the spritzer thing. This is like amber. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I'm just gonna spray this on the packaging, and we'll see what she smells like. Give it a second. Oh, it smells pretty. This is pretty. I'm not really smelling much of that orange stuff going on, but I smell flowery. I'm not a big flower person. You know what? I can smell a lot going on in here. There's a lot of different scents. It's very pretty. It's not my thing, but it's very pretty. So I'll probably put this in a future giveaway. If I do, I'll let you know that, that I've sprayed it. But this is nice. This cap is nice. It's like a silicone kind of a hard cap, and it smells really good. So very nice. I guess that's a free gift, y'all. I guess that's my free gift. So I got the Laura Geller palette, the DERM serum, the Dr. Brandt cleanser, the Soroki calming cream for under your makeup, and this cute little Good Light plumping lip oil. And then I also got an add-on for $3.50. I got this because it looks like Sol de Janeiro. It is not. It's Kenzie, and it is rich and ultra creamy body butter, Kenzie brand, and it's in Sorbet Blossom, and it was $3.50. So they don't say how much the value is of it. You know, if it being small and all, but isn't that adorable? Looks a lot like Sol de Janeiro. So when you open it, it has this nice lid on it. So this kind that you can pick up. It's not super thick. I don't smell any. I think I'm smelling that perfume, so I can't really smell this, but this looks good. It's thick, but it is moving a little bit. It's lightly scented, very cute. I always need creams, always need body creams. And this snaps back on, sort of, maybe not. But super cute little thing, and easy to carry with. So that's what I got in my ipsyextra. I do have a link below. If you want to join under me, you can. They'll give you points, they'll give me points. And, you know, but go, they don't really have great deals. But if you get a deal where you sign up, you can get something for free, like a $68 perfume, then go for it. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.